Yo, what's up guys, it's Mitch and everything, back with another video, and today, I'm sorry for the lighting and the background. It's a different background than my last slime review video. I'm going to be changing it up a little, but there will be soon a green background and a bunch of lights soon. This will be another slime review. So today we have this slime that I got at the 99-cent store. I don't know, because those slimes, I explained where I got them. Well, yeah, I did. And I'm going to try to open it right now, and I'm going to be showing you guys what the slime is and what it feels like. It's going to be my first time feeling it and all that stuff, so let's get into it right now. Alright. It popped off really quickly because I wanted to see how hard it was open, but if you guys want me to open that, I mean, I will, but it will be a lot harder and it will take a while. So I won't, but let's do that. And I have a thin container because we don't have a lot of containers. So I'm going to be buying some new containers for new slimes and all that good stuff. So let's take this off number one. And let's just see what it looks like. Alright, does it make any noise? Like when you push down on it? Not really. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, it's like that Nickelodeon slime. Oh, that's a little weird. I've never seen this before. It's a hard slime to play with, but because it's always slippery. See, that slime with body parts, it's the perfect slime because it's not that slippery. By the way, I haven't known if I showed you the body parts. It's a brain and a finger and an eyeball. But let's get into here. I'm going to need a small container for this, I think. No, it's absorbing it. But, alright, so let's see if it makes any noise when you put it back in the container. Not yet. What about this? A little. I'll do that again. There, that was a good one. One more. Oh, that sounded cool. I could do ASMR with this. Can you wait for a second? Like, I'm doing that? So we're going to be doing some stuff right now. I'm going to see what it reacts to, with a bunch of different stuff. I'm going to pick it up. And put it in there. Alright, let's see how it stretches. Not very good. See how it, how it bounces. Not really. See how I could take it apart. How fast. Finger test. Very easily, actually. Just look at it. Oh, wow. It's actually super easy. So we're going to be comparing the three. And gotta put this in here to clean it up. Well, that was a new sound. Alright, so I'm going to be comparing all three right now. Here you guys go. I have all the slimes and they are here. Can't wait till I get a bunch, but we're going to be testing everything. So I'm going to be rating them out of a 1 out of 10 on this video, slime review part 2. So let's try to get it. So as you can see, all three of these are in the containers. I'm gonna put the noisy putty back in because it doesn't make a lot of noise when it's not when it's not in here. Kind of looks like a brain, but pro noisiest, con noisiest, and it smells. There's that. Pro, funnest to play with, and it doesn't smell. Con, it's the funnest to play with. I played it with it for like an hour and I didn't even know that the hour went by. Pro, it's slime. Pro, you won't play with it too long. It's a decent amount of slime. Con, it breaks super easily. Pro, it doesn't smell. And con, it's like that Nickelodeon slime, so it's like gooey. So that is Slime Review 002, also known as Part 2. I will be doing more slime reviews. I'm your host, Richard Everything, or Richard Donahue. Subscribe with the like button, turn on my notifications. Peace out, everybody. Richard Everything Live and Team Everything. Subscribe. Bye.